Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about what I use for my hair, what I use to keep it healthy. If you guys didn't know, this is obviously not my natural color. My natural color is really dark, like almost black. So I'm going to share with you guys all of my hair product secrets and what I use to keep it healthy. If you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Look out for a video every single week. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button to be notified every Thursday and Sunday that I upload. Let's get started. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, I shared a little bit about how I noticed my hair was growing, but it was not getting long. So basically what happened is that my hair would grow because obviously I can see the black hair coming in and growing, but it felt like the bottom of my hair just stayed at the same exact spot, which makes no sense. So I found out that my hair was literally falling off from the bottom, and the reason behind this is 1 year ago, if you guys have followed me for this long, I went to Italy during summer and I walked under the sun 25,000 steps a day on average, and my hair literally fried from being under the sun hot for hours and hours and hours for like 2 weeks straight. And then on top of that, I didn't give my hair a break and I went to Mexico right after, where the sun is even more blazing hot, and I went into chlorine pools and under the sun, and my hair was literally dying, okay? And I would get so upset because I had hair all the way down to my butt, and I'm like, yo, why is my hair not growing? This is really pissing me off. And then I was like, wait, I destroyed my hair. That's why it's not growing. So I'm all about makeup. I know everything makeup. Hair is something that I'm not too, like, I don't know too much about it. Like, I could curl my hair, straighten my hair, maybe do like a couple cute hairstyles. But when it comes down to like products and what you need for your hair and this, I don't really know much about it, but now I do. So I'm gonna share with you guys all the products that I use to literally restore my hair. Like, I birthed my hair from zero. It's been growing. I've seen a lot of change. Like, my hair was up to like here, right? And it would not grow longer than that. And now we are almost to the booty. I mean, we got a little bit more to go, but that's a big change. I mean, my hair was falling off and now we're good to go. We are sailing on the right raft. So during this exploration time, I got advice from a bunch of different people, tried a bunch of different products, and I did not find the love for my hair until I found this group right here. So I used, for example, Redken. I used a protein builder, but that has sulfate, so it started changing my hair color to like super bronzy, like not my platinum blonde. And then I started using Olaplex 3, and that was working, but I was like, not how I want it to. And then I found these amazing products. Now, these products, they're not sponsored at all. I bought these with my own money, and it is a little bit on the pricey side, but it gets the job done. I'll tell you some pros and cons about these products, and then you guys can always give it a try. Let me know down below how these work for you, or if you've even used these in the past or are using them now. Let me know. Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? I'm curious. So the first product I am going to shout out is my Virtue shampoo. This is the Recovery Shampoo. This bottle right here is like the size of my hand, right? It's like $34. Okay, it's kind of pricey, but it gets a little bit more expensive as the products go. So when I was looking for a shampoo, I wanted to find something that would be nourishing for my hair, would literally rebirth it or recover it from the damage that it went through, and something that was sulfate free, because I hated how my hair looked when there was sulfate in my hair products. And I didn't know sulfate changes your hair color. I found that out later after asking a couple hair people, and I was like, what is even sulfate? Everyone's like, sulfate free, paraben free, I'm like, what does that even mean? So basically, if you're blonde, it goes to like an ugly, not cute blonde. So Virtue is real science, true beauty. I like that. This is sulfate free, paraben free, phthalates free, color free, dye free, everything. It's like a vegan, okay, but for your hair. This has a lot of like protein builder, so it's gonna build up whatever needs to be restored in your hair. And pros to it, it works, okay? That's like a number one, it works. To me, it smells good. It smells like expensive shampoo, like with a hint of island coconut. I just got on my nose. Coconutty, islandy. Another thing about this product is you need a little bit, like literally this much. Since this is like everything free, it doesn't like foam up like that like other shampoos do. So you're gonna like work this into your hair and then just go under the water for like 1 second, boom, like that, just so it gets a little bit of water. Then you work into it and then it starts getting more bubbly and you just work it into your hair. It works great. Now I am super dry, like my hair dry. If I don't wash it for a week, then it starts getting oily. There's some people that get oily the second day, not me. I'm dry on my hair, dry on my skin, like super duper dry face skin, but like the rest of my body is pretty smooth, people have told me. But this shampoo does give me like a little bit of like an oily, not oily like you're dumping oil on your head, but it's a little bit of like a little reflection. And I find my hair getting oilier. It would get oily like day 5. Okay, so it's like a little bit of a con, but I feel like it's keeping it hydrated and healthy. So I don't know. I don't mind because I wash my hair anyway, like every 4th or 5th day. I heard that if you wash your hair often, it's not good. And then sometimes I hear you have to wash your hair often, so I'm just like, I don't know which one to do. But I do wash it like on the 4th or 5th day. When it starts getting oily, that's when I know. If you are on the oily side, I don't know if this would work for you because I feel like it would make you even oilier. So try it out, get a sample maybe at a beauty store and see if it works for you. They actually sell these in like the little tubes, like the mini, like the travel size. So maybe try that out and see if it works for you. Next up, now I don't use a conditioner. Instead, I use a mask, okay? A mask is like a conditioner times 10 and it really keeps your hair super smooth and just alive, okay? And this is also by Virtue. Now this tub right here, this is like $66, okay? It's pricey, but the thing about it is, you see all that product right there? That's literally my claws, look at that. All you have to do is like dip it in, get a tiny like dime size, okay? Maybe a nickel if you're feeling a little bit frisky. Get a dime or nickel size, rub it into your hands and just rub it into your hair. Stay there for like 5 minutes, okay? Like 3 to 5. I would say 3 to 5, let it cook, okay? Let it nicely marinate into your hair. Wash it off. Oh my God, it is so smooth. It feels so healthy. And this is also the restorative treatment mask. So this is, it literally restores your hair. So these two puppies go great together. And they're the same company and I just stabbed my chin. It's a mask that rebuilds, strengthens, and silkens your hair. Now for the days where I feel like my hair is not as blonde, I will use a purple shampoo. I've gone through different types of purple shampoos and this one is more on like the luxury side. This one's pretty good. This is by, I'm gonna butcher it, Saskatchewan, Stockholm. She looks like this. And this is the silver shampoo, professional hair care. I believe this was $30 and it's also like the size of my hand. It's 250 milliliters, so do the math. I used it the last time I showered and it makes my blonde just pop out a lot more. I use it like maybe once every 2-3 weeks. Or like if I have something, like let's say I have a birthday or I have a photo shoot or whatever the case may be, I will use my purple shampoo just to have it like out a little bit and I'm good to go. And last but not least, which is one of my favorite items in this whole situation and the cheapest, ding ding, is the Schwarzkopf Peptide Repair Rescue. Okay, this is my absolute favorite product ever. For those of you who have split ends that want to treat your split ends, you don't want them anymore, you want them to get all rescued and repaired, pick this up. This is so good. I actually just got like the new formula packaging. I used to get the white one and it says like extra large, the size, and it was just repair rescue Schwarzkopf for your split ends. I went to the beauty store and they said that they don't carry that anymore. They said Target might have it, but this is more of like the professional formula and packaging or whatever, but it does the same thing. It is for sealed ends, for damaged ends, and it smells First of all, I got introduced to this by my hair girl. Oh my god, when she put this on my hair, just like I didn't even know what it was gonna do, but just the smell of it, I was like, yo, what is that? I need to add it to my wish list, and it does its job. I ran out like last week and I took my shower, and by the way, you apply this when your hair is damp, so get out of the shower, put like a quarter-ish amount, work it into your hands, put it on your split ends, and then I just like to go like this so it smells good up top, and you're good to go, and then just continue drying your hair. Wait, what was I saying? I was going somewhere with this one. Oh yeah, I ran out of this product right here last week, and I showered and obviously didn't use it because I ran out, and I was like, oh my god, my split ends feel so dry. You could like see them, and they were not sealed and rescued and repaired. So I was like, oh hell no, I need to go to the beauty store real quick, real fast. And I got my hands on this baby right here. And another product that I don't have right now, but I have to mention it to you guys, and I'll insert a picture right here of what I'm talking about. But if you guys are looking for like a heat protecting spray, so whenever you blow dry your hair or curl your hair is nice and protected, you guys have to try the Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. Oh my god, the smell. This one, again, my hair girl, when she sprayed it, I was like, dude, what smell is that? Oh my god, it smells like literally heaven. I'm salivating. It smells so good, and it works really well too. So that's a product that I don't have physically right now, but I love. And that is it for my favorite hair care products to keep my blonde nicely tamed and healthy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe, stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.